What's the meaning of copse? Copse. Copse.
Copse. Copse. A copse is a small group of trees or bushes, typically growing closely together. This term is often used to describe a natural area that contains a relatively small number of trees or shrubs and is often located near a larger area of woodland. Copse can serve as a shelter for wildlife and birds, as well as providing a pleasant environment for human recreation. Additionally, copse can be useful in rural areas for providing firewood or building materials. Overall, copse is a term used to describe a small, but valuable group of trees or bushes.